Hello, my name is Alexander Gray, and for our research project, we made a hack and slash game where slimes are attacking a village. For my portion of this project, I focused on modeling, blueprints, AI, and the environment. The assets I modeled for this project included a stick which is used as the player's weapon, a village house, some grass which we used in the foliage tool, a boulder, a villager, and the enemy slime. My original plan with improving my AI was to use a behavior tree. However, I had a lot of trouble with that, so I opted just to use blueprints and build on what I knew. So among the things I added was a patrol function, so it will randomly move locations when it doesn't see the player. I added a change strafe section, so it will move left and right. I also added a tack function, so it will shoot fireballs at the player. I also added a health system which is made with a blueprint interface, and the health system setup is also shared with a third person character. The slime's fireball is made of 3 spheres with a custom material I made in Unreal. When the player is hit by the fireball, it does 10 damage to the player, then it destroys itself. The third person character's blueprint is very similar to the slime's in terms of attacking and health. However, when attacking, it will play an animation on the third person character of him swinging a weapon. Now here's my partner with his portion of the project.
Hello, my name is Garrett Stanberry, and for my portion of the research project, I animated with Control Rig and made cinematics for the game. For example, the one you're seeing here is a combination of Control Rig and cinematics to create an introduction for the character. In total, we captured 4 cinematics, each one relating directly to the one before it. 2 of them correspond directly to begin playing, and one responds to a trigger box that causes an event. The first 2 are the introduction sequence, and the second 2 are the slime making the man fly away. So this is my first attempt at Control Rig. What you're seeing around the character's arms are control points which you use to move the character's bones. This is done using a thing called an IK. IKs are used to generate the movement of something based upon the location of a specific foot. In this case, it's using the hands. These blueprints determine where that happens. The control transforms the bones based upon where it is so that it can determine where they need to go. Sometimes this is a little funky, so you have to use a pole vector to make it a little bit easier, a little bit smoother for the piece to use. This is a more complicated setup. This is legs and arms being controlled. The legs are a different setup. They are a little bit more complicated because the legs require a little bit more to ensure that they are moving correctly. This is the swinging animation that we made using Control Rig and Sequencer. It was added to the player using blueprints. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.